Hi, I'm Rachel Utuzis, and I'm going to show you how to remove calcium deposits from your shower head. A lot of people don't know how to do this. You can try scrubbing it and cleaning it, and for some reason calcium deposits are so hard. This is what you do. If you can remove your shower head, dunk it into a bowl of vinegar and let it sit there until the calcium deposits are gone. If you can't remove your shower head, get a plastic baggie, get a good quality one that the vinegar is not going to leak out of. Put a lot, fill it up with vinegar. I didn't want to fill this one up because I'm conserving the vinegar. Well, there we go. That actually did work great. And use rubber bands to affix this to the shower head. You can let it sit in there overnight, however long it takes, to get those calcium deposits off your shower head. And when you take that baggie off, your shower head will look like brand new. I'm Rachel Utuzis, and that is how you remove calcium deposits from your shower head.